In the vast digital landscape, YouTube reigns as a platform where creativity meets opportunity. Beyond being a space for entertainment, it has evolved into a lucrative business avenue for creators worldwide. But what does it take to build a thriving channel? How do successful creators navigate the complexities of monetization and community engagement? Let's dive into the strategies and insights that demystify the business side of YouTube. Demystifying YouTube monetization. YouTube offers multiple revenue streams, each contributing to the financial sustainability of creators. The YouTube Partner Program, YPP, serves as a primary gateway to monetization. To join, creators must meet specific requirements, including accumulating at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within the past year, or achieving 10 million valid public Shorts views within 90 days. Once eligible, creators can earn from ads displayed on their videos, YouTube Premium subscriptions, and other features like channel memberships and Super Chat. Monetization doesn't stop with ads. Sponsorships and brand collaborations significantly bolster creator income. Companies often seek influencers whose audiences align with their target demographics, providing paid partnerships for product promotions. These collaborations require creators to strike a balance between staying authentic and delivering value to their viewers, building a thriving channel. A successful YouTube channel is built on a foundation of strategic planning and audience engagement. Content strategy. Understanding your target audience and delivering content that resonates is crucial. Whether it's educational tutorials, entertainment skits, or niche reviews, consistency and authenticity help build a loyal viewer base. Community engagement. Cultivating an engaged community fosters viewer loyalty. Replying to comments, conducting Q&A sessions, or featuring user-generated content creates a sense of belonging for subscribers. Analytics-driven optimization. YouTube's analytics tools offer valuable insights into viewer behavior, from watch time to demographic data. By analyzing these metrics, creators can identify trends, optimize content performance, and refine their strategies to better meet audience preferences. The power of collaboration. Collaboration plays a vital role in expanding reach and fostering growth on YouTube. Cross-promotion. Partnering with creators from similar or complementary niches introduces channels to new audiences. These collaborations, whether through co-hosted videos or guest appearances, often lead to shared subscriber growth. Networking. Building connections within the YouTube community offers valuable learning opportunities. Engaging with other creators through events, online forums, or social media can spark ideas and open doors for future projects. Brand partnerships. Establishing relationships with brands creates opportunities for mutually beneficial sponsorships. Transparent communication and shared goals ensure that such collaborations remain authentic and resonate with the audience. Staying ahead of the curve. The YouTube ecosystem is dynamic, with constant changes in trends and technology. Emerging technologies. As virtual reality, VR, augmented reality, AR, and 360-degree videos gain traction, creators who embrace these innovations often capture audience interest. Skill development. Investing time in learning new video editing techniques, storytelling methods, or marketing strategies keeps creators competitive. Staying updated with YouTube's policies and algorithm changes is equally crucial. Adaptability, flexibility is key. The platform frequently evolves, and creators who remain open to change, whether it's exploring new content formats or leveraging Shorts to capture mobile-first audiences, are better positioned for long-term success. Success on YouTube requires more than creativity. It demands strategic thinking, consistent effort, and a deep understanding of the platform's business dynamics. From mastering monetization avenues to fostering community engagement and adapting to ever-evolving trends, creators who view YouTube as both an art and a business unlock its full potential. By embracing these principles, anyone can turn their passion for video creation into a thriving entrepreneurial journey.